everybody, this is Trader Barber. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
That boy's scruffy.
Today we got a 3 on top with a mid fade and a beard trim. We're gonna fade the beard into the long hair on the chin. And yeah, we're just gonna make my dog look icy. Wow. Right now we're running the 3 guard over the top.
There it goes. By the way, I'm Trader Barber's inner conscience, and I'm about to roast you this whole video, bruh. You can't hear it, but my clippers are
I begin to create my initial guideline. This is where we're gonna start the mid fade. Notice I'm cutting low into the beard, about the bottom of the earlobe. And then I'm going to cut the hair up to the initial guideline.
You can't hear it, but my clippers are
I now begin to bald the side of his head.
Man, why you holding the clipper like that? I know they didn't teach you that in barber school. You gotta cut that man's ear off, man. What's wrong with you, Trader Barber? That boy hairy than a motherfucker.
Now we have our no guard and our 3 on top. I'm going in with my Andis electric shaver. This is gonna get the skin smooth and that fade looking nice and blurry.
Like a baby's butt.
Now I'm using my 1 guard to go up about an inch above my initial guideline.
Man, you bad at math. That's more than an inch, homeboy.
I now begin to raise my new guideline by moving my lever down about halfway, barely touching the new guideline. I now begin to fade using my 1.5 guard. You can start to see the transition in the blend.
Dang, look at that line.
Using the corner of my Andis T outliners, we are going to start by flicking out that first initial guideline.
You think you cold with it, Trader Bob?
Now remember, whatever you do to one side of the haircut, you must do to the other. The key to a very detailed and even haircut is to stay symmetrical.
That's how it don't look like the other side. Boy, you in trouble.
With my OsterFastFeeds, I'm starting to detail and polish out the haircut. Little by little, you can see that our fade is coming together.
Little by little, boy, you just skipped through the whole haircut.
I now begin to fade the beard, using my closed no guard, and then moving down to my open no guard. Next, I will use the closed 1 guard. Then, I will drop my lever down open and continue to fade with a closed 1 guard. With the surgical blade, I'll now begin to shape up the beard.
Alright, boy, you keep talking. That beard gonna come right off. I'm telling you, boy, I see it happening. I see it.
You want to make sure you get every single strand of hair that is standing out by cutting from various angles.
Boy, you better not mess up.
When edging the beard or any part of the shape up, you want to make sure you stay as natural as possible. Press slightly and swipe away from the edge up line to avoid biting and irritation. It's important to line up the mustache correctly,
Because if not, he's gonna continue to eat all those little hairs. And that's gonna suck. Don't you just hate trying to enjoy a meal and the corners of your hair are just getting stuck in your teeth?
Dang it, I hate that. Continue to stay natural on the top of the mustache. You don't want to give him the Luigi mustache.
Like, who wants a little line of hair right there, you know? A little tiny little line. Nobody wants that.
His beard is naturally a little lighter up top, so we're just going to continue to stay as high as possible. And to sharpen up that line, later, we're going to go in with the razor.
Dang, he got hairs growing in his eyeballs and shit. How do I forget these hairs? Oh, hairy neck.
Cutting against the hair growth will get you a closer shave. Never press too hard because it's easy to irritate the skin.
Again with the mustache. Oh.
Again, staying natural with the beard line. To sharpen that, we'll go in with the razor later.
Oh yeah, let's push some hairlines back. You will never find, blum 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 blum, a hairline like mine.
Even if your client is experiencing slight receding areas, continue to stay as natural as possible.
Man, you ain't got a 4-head, you got a 5-head. And when you dream, you don't dream, you see movies. You don't even know what that is, do you? You don't even know what I'm spraying on your head, huh? Yeah, what you think that is, huh?
Using the steamer, this will help the blade glide across the skin and prepare for a nice shave.
Man, whatever, tell him what that is. Oh, you ain't gonna tell him? You ain't gonna tell him what that is? Oh, you sorry, Trader Barber. You sorry, Trader Barber.
Stretching the skin helps when performing blade work.
You need to shave your hand. Look at all that hair coming out your jacket. What's up with that? You need a body cut. Cut that, man. Cut it, man.